Previously, we have defined the architecture for distributed system. Okay, so what we are going to do now is to define the components that will run the system, which is in detailed design. First, we are going to use object-oriented approach to design and implement our components. Right. To represent our component, we are going to use UML. So UML stands for Unified Modeling Language. So basically it's a modeling language whereby we need to draw classes and we need to draw packages using some symbol. Okay, right. In the following example, we will define classes as our component. Okay, let's proceed. For this topic, I'm choosing McDonald's retail system as our case study. So basically, it's about keeping track of the sales in McDonald's restaurant. Okay, so here we have three major components, which are store, products, and sales. Okay, before we proceed, let me explain what do I mean by store, products, and sales. Okay, I'll start with store. Store is referring to the individual McDonald's restaurant. For example, we have one McDonald's restaurant at Taman Buaya. Okay, so that one restaurant is known as store. And then we have another McDonald's restaurant at MITC Melaka. So that is another store. So individual restaurant is referring as McDonald's store. Alright, how about products? Products are referring to the food, to the drinks, okay, to the dessert that is sold by McDonald's. For example, we have McChicken, we have McFlurry, we have Coca-Cola, we have French fries. So those are products. Okay, there are also products that come in set. For example, McChicken meal, Big Mac meal, filet o fish meal. They have breakfast set meal. Okay, so those are the products. How about sales? Sales is referring financial transaction that happens when the customer buy the products from the McDonald's. So it could be cash, it could be by credit cards. So those are the entity that we are dealing with in this particular example.